G'day, let's have a look at this Bacho 4-in-1 Reversible Ratchet Spanner Set. So these are ring end spanners. We've got 3 of them in this really nice case. It's got a little bit of padding on the inside as well, so it does have a nice soft feel to it, and then just Velcro on top so you can zip it up and keeps them securely held in there. On the back, there just seems to be a bit of a belt loop. So I'm not sure if you'd really use this on your belt, but it's there if you want to mount this to anything. So opening it up, I'll just take them out. We've got the 3 different sizes. This is a set of 3. They do come in different sizes and different sets as well. This is it. This is pretty much the spanner. So what you've got, you can see here, this is a 17mm on this side, and then you've got 18mm on this side here. And if you flip that over, then you've got a 16 and a 19. So the way it achieves that is, it might be a little bit hard to see on camera, but you should just be able to see that little extra step within there. That probably highlights it a bit better there. So the way that works is this is quite deep. Half of it is one size, and then the other half down the bottom here would then be the other size. So we've got an 18 and a 19 in this one size here. So likewise, these smaller ones work exactly the same. So we've got an 8, 11, 10 and a 9 on that side. So just to do a quick demo of that, I've just got a couple of different bolts screwed in here. So I'm not sure what size they actually are, but there you go. So we've got a 13 there. You can see you can loosen that, and then to tighten it, you obviously just flick that and it changes the direction, and then you can tighten that up. Now these ones here are smaller, so let's try a 12, see if that works. There you go. So a 12 then fits on this here, so you can change it nice and simple and then get straight onto something else. And again, for flipping that, you just push this up. It's got these nice little arrows here, quite a nice positive motion, and then you come back down and change that up. Whereas this 12, you can see this 12 on this side fits fine on this one, but obviously it doesn't fit on that because it's the bolt is too big. So there definitely are the different sizes there. Now these are made out of high alloy steel, so they're quite lightweight, and you can see that they're really thin on this axis here, but quite a bit thicker that way, which is good because you don't need it to be thick this way, but you need that thickness here so it doesn't bend under that bending moment. As you apply that moment, all of the forces will be acting in this direction, so you need that thick material on it. They're really nice. They've got a chrome plating on them as well, just to prevent any rust and corrosion of happening, and they've got this really nice smooth, almost a bit of a satin finish to them. So really nice. They feel really nice in the hand. As far as the teeth, they've got 72 teeth, which means each little click is 5-degree rotation of that. So the finer that is, the better, because you can reach into very nice and small spaces. But you also don't want to go too fine because then those teeth are too small, and if you apply a lot of torque to it, you can strip them out. So I think 70 to 72 is a nice compromise in between that. So I'll just do another quick close-up of these so you can get a look at them together. There we go, that's pretty much it. And then they've got this nice case, as I said. So there's links for this down below if you want to check it out. Go for it and have a good one.